What's up, guys? It's your boy, Chips Ahoy, back at it again for another video. Yes, I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I'm taking a little sort of break from YouTube. But today we are opening anyways, I took off a few snippets and such and tape because I don't want to watch you guys. I don't want you guys to have to sit here. First, we have this little ad, I guess. Ooh, this is actually pretty nice. Sorry that I didn't show you this. Lego City. Apparently, there's a Lego City alarm clock. Lego Friends. Lego Superheroes. Lego Batman movie. Lego Ninjago movie. That might be the one we have. Let me see. No, it's not. We have a Lego Ninjago one, but it's not the Lego Ninjago movie one. Yeah. There's all the ads and stuff. As you may or may not know, we used to have a Batman alarm clock, but we don't use it anymore. There's two different instruction books. Look at it. Oh, there's a lot of tape in here. We're going for the bottom now. There's one little thing of tape. Luckily, I have my little baby scissors right here. Scissors. And yes, I know they're actually called scissors. I just call them scissors. Anyways. Hold on 1 second. Sorry. 1 second. Okay, stop talking. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's get on with the video. And if you're here to just see the alarm clock, then you should be skipping like I don't know how much. What the heck is this box? There's just a little red box over here, and there's nothing in it. Probably just there to... Sorry guys, I'm cutting it right now. I know I said I don't want you to see me struggle, but you are seeing me struggle. It's ouch! There he is, all standing up. If you push down the head, look, now you can see the neck, right? Hold on. You can see the neck. But now you can't really see the neck. You can still see it a little. The chest lights up. This can move. The hands can move. My old one's hands couldn't move. You can't take off the mask. That's okay, though. Yeah. These can move. The head can't move, but arms can move. Basically, it says Lego Ninjago on the back. And yeah. That's it for this video, guys. Bye!